Yeah, one by the log. Oh. That's interesting. Oh, good one. Howdy, everyone. We're out on a nice lake, you know. Look at that view. I think it's going to be some good fishing today. So this particular lake, it's filled with lily pads, as you can see. And best time to fish is in the spring because all these weeds just come up and pretty much just limit it to frog fishing and Senkos. Like, that's really all you can use here in the summer, which kind of sucks. But, you know, in the springtime, you can get on some good bites here. There's not too many big ones, but, you know, I'd say it's the quantity over quality kind of fishing here. And I like that sometimes. So we're going to try to get some today. Let's get at it. Oh, that's interesting. So, I didn't even know I had this fish on. I felt like something hit it, but then it just stopped moving. And then I started reeling in, and I had this crappie. That is interesting. All right, well, there's crappie here. It'd be cool to catch a couple of those. I don't know if he was actually trying to eat it or not. There we go. Nice little buddy there. He's a little beat up, but nice buddy. Oh, I gotta go back there and fish for him. Oh, but this frickin' wind is killing me. There we are. Finally. It feels like a bass. Oh, it's another crappie. Another crapjack. No, he came off. Oh, damn it. That was a nicer one. Come on, back up, because I was casting right into him. Just slow rolling this little spinner. That's cool. I don't catch crappies a lot, so that's really cool. Just letting it drop for a little bit and then just slow rolling it. I mean, they gotta be in a school if I caught one of them. Must be pooled up in this area. Really wish I had an anchor with me. There we go. Got one. Oh, come on. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Crapjack. Little crapjack. I gotta stay in my spot. Nice little guy there. Get him. Nice little crapper. Thanks, buddy. I'm telling you, the mini spinner, it gets them. It gets them all too. All types of species. So if you're really just looking to catch anything, or you're trying to figure out where you're fishing, throw one of these things. Because you could catch a nice bass, or you could catch some panfish and figure out what's in there, you know? Trout too, I imagine. Yeah, it's got the flash on it. They have to eat it. I'm telling you, I've never seen a freaking season this windy. It seems like every time I go out, it's at least 5 to 10 mile an hour. You know, it sucks, man. It really does. Especially for me in a kayak. I gotta keep freaking paddling every 2 seconds. Yeah, one by the log. Decent one. One by the log, baby. Whoa. Hard fighter. It's a hard fighter right here. Keep him pinned. Keep him pinned, baby. Yeah. Nice guy. Oh yeah, look at that pounder. Nice and chunky. Frickin' inhale that spinnerbait. Look at that. Nice guy right there. Thank you. Alright, well, I'm glad I was doing the right thing all this time. Casting it to shore and all that. I had a feeling there would be one tied up to that log there. And I took a rip in real nice and close to shore. And that guy inhaled it. So, that's good. Nice chunky pre-spawner. Only a pound, but you can see the girth. I'll tell you that. Good old girth on that fish. That's what you want to see them feeding up. Yeah. Oh, I had one right there. Damn. Come on, buddy. Come back for it. There we are. Oh yeah. We found them. Oh, Picky. Picky. We got a multi-species day. Look at that. Nice little Picky. I haven't caught one of these in a while, so I'm not too upset about that. Nice slime dirt there. Look at that guy. Thank you. I'm not upset about that. Because that makes it so now we have 3 species today. 3 good old species of fish. And after that, I'm definitely retying my line. He wasn't close to it, but for good measure, it's always good too. I wasn't recording. I cast it into a corner. I'll show you in a second. Got that little guy. I knew there would be one in there. I literally said that as soon as I cast it in. I'll do another cast. There we are, another one. Picky, picky roll. Picky, picky roll. Picky, picky roll. Second slime dart of the day. So we got pretty much 2 of everything. 2 bass, 2 crappie, 2 pickerel. We're on an even run so far. Nice little guy. Nice little picky. Off to play another day. Now that I'm backed in a nice little corner, I can fish without the wind pushing me around. Oh, good one, good one. Good fish. I felt like a better one. I was just complaining about the wind, and then I got another fish, so can't complain too much, right? He inhaled that thing. Little guy. Thanks, bud. That fish felt really good for a second there. I don't know if it was the wind or something, but that fish felt a lot better than it was. He's not even hooked good. Oh, I gotta buy the trailer. There we are. Nice. Got that guy on the trailer hooked. Thanks, buddy. Back to the old spinner for now. Have a strong feeling someone's in here, so gotta throw this thing around for a little bit. Yep, I told you. Picky. Frickin' picky. Frickin' picky. Ah, thank you. He came off. Touched the boat though, so it counts. What do we got? Little bass. Little guy. Look at that. Look at that. Little guy. Little guy. He's a tiny one. But he's still feisty. You're a tiny one, alright. Look at that. Thanks, bud. Oh, you saw that? Right there. Right there. Followed it up right up the shore. That's funny.